Hello and welcome you to Codezlux. Today we will start our session of web development. So in the first and introductory video we will see some powerful and most important code editors. So first of all, the very basic editor which is free and you can use it for your code writing is Notepad++. The second one, which is most popular and very easy to use for the beginner, is Sublime Text Editor. It is also free to use and is the most powerful code editor. The next one is Bracket.io. This is another most popular code editor used by most senior web developers, especially for Python, and much more. The next one is one of my favorite code editor of all the time, which is VS Code. This is the only editor that I use for my daily life programming. Last but not least, a most demanding code editor, which is the Atom. Atom is also the most popular code editor which is used by most of the experienced web developers. So as we are in the beginner course, that's why we will use Sublime Text Editor in our whole session. So just download it by simply clicking the download button. It will download the exe file for you. Just run it and install the code editor in your personal computer. So here is the super clean look of the Sublime Text Editor. Let's write some code in this. It is the most important step, that to save your text as an extension of HTML. As you can see, this code is organized in some specific way. Each element is enclosed in tags, which is the building block of HTML. In the title tag you can write the title of the web page, which can be shown on the tab of the website. The title tag is enclosed in the head tag, which is the sub tag of the HTML tag. Next there is a body tag in which you can write whatever you are going to show on the web page. So let's write a sentence in the h1 tag, which is the heading tag of HTML. In the next, let's write a paragraph in the p tag, which is a predefined tag of HTML for paragraph. So this is the short introductory video of this session. In the next video we will define what is HTML and how can we use it for creating web pages. So stay tuned. We will write back soon. Thanks for watching. If you did not subscribe to Codezlux, so please subscribe.